Chicken breeds you won't believe actually exist. A chicken is a chicken is a chicken, right? They all essentially taste like chicken after all. Except for their propensity to cross roads, no one really gives them much thought, or do they? In today's video, we have listed some of the chicken breeds you won't believe actually exist. But before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe for more of such interesting and informative content. Alright, without further ado, let's get started with our list. Number 10. Bantam chickens of the Sibright variety are of British origin. It carries Sir John Saunders Sibright's name since he developed the breed as an ornamental through selective breeding at the beginning of the 19th century. Despite their popularity, Sibrights can be challenging to breed, and scientists have looked into how the breed's distinctive traits are passed down through the generations. All Sibrights are real bantams, with males weighing an average of 22 ounces, 625 grams, and females 20 ounces, 570 grams. Their angular, jaunty appearance is a result of their short backs, proportionally huge breasts, and downward-pointing wings. Because of this, they are primarily kept as ornamental chickens, lay little, white eggs, and are not raised for their meat. Number 9. A bantam breed of chicken is the booted bantam, often known as the Dutch booted bantam. The excessive feathering on its feet and hock joints, known in Dutch as vulture hocks or saddles, is where the name for the animal came from. Typically, men weigh about 850 grams, 30 ounces, and women about 750 grams, 27 ounces. They come in more than 20 different color variants and are almost exclusively exhibition chickens grown by poultry enthusiasts. Booted bantams have been kept as pets for a long time and are very frequently shown. They are skilled foragers, and because of their thickly feathered feet, they are considered to inflict less harm to garden plants. To preserve these feathers, most breeders cage and place their booted bantams on soft bedding, though. Number 8. Sundheimer is a breed of chicken that originated in Sundheim, a town in the rural Kell am Rhein region of southwest Germany. It was initially created to be an excellent meat bird, but it also does well when it comes to laying eggs. Although the breeds used to make the Sundheimer are unknown, light-feathered local chickens predominate. The Sundheimer has one comb, red earlobes, and yellowish-white legs with delicate feathering that covers the outer toe. They are indeed tame birds that produce high-quality meat and grow and fatten quickly. The Columbia color variety is the only one offered for the Sundheimer. Number 7. A traditional Japanese breed of chicken known as the Onagadori is distinguished by an extremely long tail. It was developed in Kochi Prefecture in the 17th century, and in 1952, it was named a Japanese national natural treasure. The Onagadori is notable for its extraordinarily long tail, which may grow to a length of 12 meters and is longer than 1.5 meters. The tail has 16 to 18 feathers total, and under ideal circumstances, they never molt and lengthen by 0.7 to 1.3 m annually. Black-breasted red, black-breasted white, and white are the three recognized color variants. According to genetic research, the black-breasted white was the original variety, while the others were developed through hybridization with different breeds of birds. Number 6. Surama is thought to have developed in the Malaysian state of Kelantan through the hybridization of Malaysian and Japanese bantams. Other legends surrounding the birds are based on the old gift of some baby chickens to a local sultan by the King of Thailand. The breed was initially displayed in 1990, but the 2004 Asian bird flu epidemic severely affected it as a result of the government's decision to slaughter large numbers of birds. The breed's own nation does not have any defined standards for it. In Malaysia, there is now a general guide for scoring and judging competitions, though. Although many breeders preserve numerous styles, they frequently breed to a particular kind or style. Hence, there is quite a lot of diversity in Malaysia, but an overall theme of a small brave chicken with a persona of fearless warrior or toy soldier. Number 5. The Sumatra breed of chicken is indigenous to the Indonesian island of Sumatra. These chickens were first brought from Sumatra to the United States and Europe in 1847 as fighting cocks for entertainment, but the breed is now mainly kept for display. They are often kept as decorative breeds for their lovely plumage. They are typically glossy black with a green shine all over the body and tail. However, The breed also comes in unstandardized splash variations that are a byproduct of raising blue chickens, as well as blue and white varieties. This breed is regarded as being primitive because, in contrast to other current chicken breeds, it still has a significant capacity to fly. Number 4. Together with the red junglefowl and other junglefowls, the gray junglefowl, often referred to as Sonoran's junglefowl, is one of the wild forebears of domestic poultry. The yellow tint on all domestic chickens' legs and other body parts is caused by a gene from the gray junglefowl. Multiple genomic areas of gray junglefowl were discovered to have introgressed the domestic chicken genome, according to a more recent study, with indications that some domestic chicken genes were also present in the gray junglefowl. The male gray junglefowl is endemic to India and has a black coat with orange dots and beautifully patterned body plumage on a gray background. Due to their unusual form, which includes long dark feathers that culminate in a thin, hard yellowish plate, they are widely used to create high-quality fake flies. In fact, since 1862, gray junglefowl have been domestically farmed in England, and since 1978, domestic UK stocks have been used commercially to supply feathers for fly tying. Number 3. The national bird of Sri Lanka, the Sri Lankan junglefowl, commonly referred to as the silent junglefowl, is an endemic species. It shares a close relationship with red junglefowl, the wild species that gave rise to domestic chickens. A whole genome molecular research, however, indicates that the gray and Sri Lankan junglefowl are genetically related species rather than the red junglefowl. In contrast, the Sri Lankan junglefowl and gray junglefowl separated 1.8 million years ago. The Sri Lankan junglefowl and red junglefowl split about 2.8 million years ago. The golden feathers of the mane, which descend from the head to the base of the spine, and the comb with a yellow center are this bird's defining features. The Sri Lankan junglefowl are an island species that have developed alongside other predators and competitors who have also become trapped on islands. Uniquely sophisticated foraging and anti-predator behaviors are key elements of the long evolutionary story. Number 2. The gorgeous phoenix chicken is usually raised as an ornamental breed. The phoenix chicken is a long-tailed breed that has its roots in Germany, where Hugo de Roy, the first president of the National German Poultry Association, developed it in the late 19th century. The phoenix chicken is distinguished by its exceptionally long tail and has a pheasant-like look. The tail of this breed, which is descended through cross-breeding long-tailed Japanese imports with other breeds, may measure 90 centimeters or more. The phoenix chicken comes in a wide range of color variations, and the color of their plumage varies depending on the variety. Number 1. The earliest of the 4 species of junglefowl to diverge, at least 4 million years ago, is the green junglefowl, also known as the Javan junglefowl forktail or green Javanese junglefowl. The green junglefowl has sexually dimorphic coloring. From a distance, the male's plumage seems dark and nearly black. When examined closely, one can notice an iridescent mantle of shimmering scales that are similar in color and pattern to the ocellated turkey and green peafowl. Each scale starts off bright blue at the bottom and transitions through a range of gold and bronzed green tones. The male gray junglefowl is endemic to India and has a black coat with orange dots and beautifully patterned body plumage on a gray background. Due to their unusual form, which includes long dark feathers that culminate in a thin, hard yellowish plate, they are widely used to create high-quality fake flies. In fact, since 1862, gray junglefowl have been domestically farmed in England, and since 1978, domestic UK stocks have been used commercially to supply feathers for fly tying. And with that, we have come to the end of our video. Which one of these chicken breeds did you find the most interesting? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to get notified. Thanks for watching.